Hello everyone and welcome to Prof Dan Tutorials. In this video, I will be taking you through Chapter 7, Multiplication and Division. We're going to look at a couple of questions. We'll read together, understand, and solve the questions. So I want you to pay attention very carefully. Question number 1. There are 3 rows of cars in the parking lot. Each row has 8 cars. How many cars are in the parking lot? So this is the pictorial view of the parking lot. There are 3 rows, row 1, row 2, and row 3. So we have 3 rows. And in each row, if you count the number of cars, you see that the number of cars there is 8 if you count the number of cars in each row. So for us to know the total number of cars in the parking lot is to multiply the number of rows by the number of cars in each rows. And 3 multiply 8 will give you 24. If you count all the cars, you will get 24. So the answer is D. Question number 2. You can pause the video and give it a try to see if you will get it correctly. Play the video back and see. Question number 2. Khalifa mailed 12 letters in 3 different mailboxes. He put the same number of letters in each mailbox. How many letters did Khalifa put in each mailbox? Okay, so how do we do this? In each mailbox, but there are 3 different mailboxes and a total of 12 letters. So to determine the number of letters in one mailbox, you need to divide this. 12 divide 3. Okay, and 12 divided 3 will give you 4. So in one mailbox, there is 4. We have 4 letters. So the answer is A. Question number 3. 4 heart buttons have 16 holes. Abdullah doubles the number of heart buttons shown. How many holes will there be now? So this is heart buttons, 4 heart buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the question says these 4 buttons have 16 holes. Yeah, if you count, this is 4, 4, 4, 4. All together, that is 16. Abdullah doubles. The word double in math can be termed as multiply it by 2 or add the number 2 times. So if we have 16, the number is doubled. So you add another 16. Same number 2 times. So let's add. 6 plus 6 is 12. I write 2 and take the remaining one up. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So there will be a total of 32 heart buttons. Question number 4. The library offers 4 activities on Monday. 4. Each activity table has room for 11 children. How many children can take part in the activities? So there are 4 activities and each table has 11 children. To find the total number of children that can participate, you multiply 4 multiply 11 and this is the only correct option, 44. Question number 5. Alia, Alaya, Aliazar, and Fatima will be on vacation for 24 days. They are dividing the planning equally. How many days will Alaya have to plan? So Alaya is one of them doing the planning. But first we need to know how many of them are doing the planning. 4. Alia, Alaya, Aliazar, and Fatima. 4 of them. So if it on the vacation for 24 days, so you're gonna do 24 divide by the 4 of them for you to know how many days it will take only one of them. So 24 divide 4, which is the same thing as saying what number will you multiply with 4 to get 24? According to your times table, that's going to be 6. 4 times 6 is 24. That means 24 divided 4 is 6. So if they are dividing the planning equally, Alia will take 6 days, Alaya 6 days, Aliaza 6 days, and Fatima 6 days. Question number 6. Each minute, 20 liters of water flow into a bathtub. How many minutes does it take for the bathtub to have 80 liters of water? So each minute, every minute, 20 liters flow into the bathtub. But we want to now calculate how many minutes will it take to have about 80 liters of water. So that's going to be the total number, which is 80 liters of water, divided by the number of liters that enters every minute. So 80 divided by 20. Okay? And if you look at this, the 0 in the ones place each can cancel because you are dividing and you are left with 8 divided by 2. And 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. The answer is 4 minutes. Question number 7. Which multiplication sentence shows how to find the number of wings 4 alligators have altogether? So we have the image of the alligators, 1, 2, 3, 4 alligators. So we have 4 alligators. To find the number of wings, let's see for each alligator how many wings. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Each alligator has 2 wings. So if there are 4 alligators, the total number of wings will be 2 times 4, which is 8. So the correct answer is B. Question number 8. Amna has 6 books. 6 books. She has 1 backpack to carry her books. Only 1 backpack. How many books does Amna have in her backpack? Amna only has 1 backpack to carry her 6 books. So altogether, there will only be 6 books in her backpack. 6 multiply 1, which is 6. Question number 9. Al-Nu'ami's mother bought three of the same items. Three of the same items. He paid a total of 21 aid. Which item did she buy? So if they are the same item and the total amount of money she paid is 21 and she bought three items, to determine the price of one item is going to be 21 divided 3, which is 7. So the price of one item is 7. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 10, the last question. There are 0 cats to sleep in the 2 cat beds shown. So there are 2 cat beds shown, 1 and 2. How many cats will sleep in each cat bed? Very easy. The question says 0 cats to sleep. So that means 0, which means no cats. So if there are no cats, then how many cats will sleep? 0. No cats will sleep. So that is 0 divided by the number of cat beds, which is 2. 0 divided by any number will give you 0. The correct answer is B. I want you to pause this video, play it back all over again, and make sure you understand all the questions. Take care and bye-bye.